Hi everyone and welcome to Tech Cravers. I don't always do accessory unboxings, but when I do, I like to go all in. I'm just kidding, but Razer sent me a whole stack of their latest gear and today we're going to unbox and showcase not one, not two, but 6 different products. Some of them are part of the new Phantom Green collection and others are classic Razer gear that complement the setup perfectly. So without further ado, let's jump into it. And let's start with something that really sets the tone for your whole desk setup, the Razer Firefly version 2 Pro, and this one is in the Phantom Green edition. Out of the box, the bold green color pops, but it's not over the top, it actually looks premium. The highlight is the lighting. The entire surface is illuminated with 15 individually customizable RGB zones, all controlled through Razer Synapse where you can sync it with the rest of your Razer gear. The surface is micro-textured for precise tracking, it has a non-slip base and it connects with a detachable USB-C cable. There's also a built-in USB hub for plugging in accessories, super handy for dongles in example. So yeah, the Firefly version 2 Pro is as much about function as it is about style, a great way to kick off the Phantom Green lineup. And at around $100 or euros, it's a premium mat, but one designed to be the centerpiece of your setup. Next up, let's check out the Razer HyperFlux version 2 Hard Edition. Where the 5-flat mat is very much a showpiece, glowing edge to edge and designed to transform your setup visually, the HyperFlux takes a different approach. This one is built first and foremost for functionality. At a glance it looks like a premium hard surface mousepad, but under the hood it's a lot more clever. The HyperFlux is a wireless charging system that keeps your compatible Razer mouse powered the entire time you play. No swapping batteries, no plugging in cables, the mouse just stays charged while you're gaming. The surface itself is smooth and rigid, optimized for speed and consistency, while the rubber base ensures it won't move around even in the middle of a heated match. So for everyone who prioritizes function over flashy design, this is really a smart alternative. It's all about practicality and convenience. Your mouse never runs out of power again and you never have to think about charging it again. Of course, innovation like this comes at a cost. The HyperFlux version 2 Hard Edition lands around $150 to $170, which makes it one of the more pricier mousepads out there. But if convenience and uninterrupted play matter more to you than pure aesthetics, it's definitely worth considering. And since we're talking about mousepads, let's take a look at some mice. And let's start with the Razer Cobra HyperSpeed. This one isn't one of the Phantom Green editions, it comes in the standard black Razer look, but it still delivers excellent performance. And at just 62 grams it feels super light and responsive. It's powered by the Focus X26K sensor with up to 26,000 dpi and offers HyperSpeed wireless, Bluetooth or wired USB-C connectivity. It also has 4 RGB lighting zones, customizable in Synapse, and a battery life of up to 170 hours on a single charge. So while it doesn't carry the Phantom Green colorway, it's still a great lightweight option that pairs nicely with the mats. And at just about $80, it's actually one of the more affordable ways to step in the Razer's wireless ecosystem. Next up is the Razer Basilisk version 3 Pro 35K, and this one does come in the Phantom Green colorway. Unlike the Cobra, the Basilisk is all about ergonomics and features. It has that sculpted shape with the thumb rest, making it super comfortable for long sessions. Inside is the Focus Pro 35K sensor, Razer's most advanced, offering insane precision even on glass. Connectivity options include HyperSpeed wireless, Bluetooth and wired USB-C. The HyperScroll tilt wheel lets you switch between free spin scrolling and tactile notches, great both for browsing and gaming. With 13 RGB zones customizable in Synapse and up to 210 hours of battery life plus wireless charging support, this mouse is a true flagship. It's a powerhouse for gamers who want precision, comfort and versatility. Now let's focus on keyboards. Here's the Razer BlackWidow V4 75% Phantom Green edition. The compact 75% layout saves desk space while still keeping arrow keys and essentials. It's bold in Phantom Green and fully lit with Chroma RGB, customizable in Synapse. Typing feels premium thanks to gasket mounting, sound dampening foam, hot swappable switches and pre-lubed stabilizers. With an 8000Hz polling rate, it's incredibly responsible for gaming, and the detachable magnetic wrist rest adds comfort for long use. It's compact, customizable, and responsive. It ties perfectly into the Phantom Green lineup. Pricing comes in at roughly $190 to $200, which is high, but you do get a premium mechanical keyboard with hot swap switches and great build quality. Next up is audio, the Razer Barracuda X Chroma Phantom Green Edition. At just about 250 grams, it's lightweight and comfortable. The Chroma version adds RGB lighting to the ear cups, 6 zones in total, all customizable in Synapse. You're getting Razer's Triforce 40mm drivers with surround sound, giving clear separation of lows, mids and highs. It connects via HyperSpeed wireless with the included dongle, Bluetooth for mobile or wired 3.5mm. Battery life goes up to 70 hours without charging. It also comes with a detachable hyperclear cardioidide mic for crisp comms. It's versatile, stylish and a great everyday headset. And at around $130 it sits in the mid-range for wireless headsets, which makes it pretty solid value for what you're getting. So that's 6 different Razer products. Some in the Phantom Green Edition like the Firefly, Basilisk, BlackWidow and Barracuda, and others in the classic Razer Black like the HyperFlux and the Cobra HyperSpeed. What ties them all together is of course Razer Synapse, syncing chroma lighting and fine-tuning performance across the board. From a pricing perspective, this lineup spans from about $100 for the Cobra all the way up to nearly $200 for the BlackWidow keyboard, so there's really something here for every budget. I'm actually genuinely impressed with how Razer balance style, performance and convenience across this lineup. From never worrying about charging your mouse, to premium typing feel, to lightweight headsets you can wear all day. If you found this video helpful or just entertaining, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.